absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. These are from Ross as well. They were $6.99 a piece. They are glass and gold. Isn't that beautiful? That is just so lovely. I absolutely love that. And it has the little hole for a slim candle, but then you could use it either way. You know, you can use your things in whatever way you need. Okay, and this came from DD's. This is a set of 4 salad plates, and they have a marble look to them. My light might be washing it out, but I thought that I would invest in these because we love to decorate and we love to make tablescapes, but you always got to be thinking, you got to house this stuff somewhere, and you can't just overindulge, and then if you're someone like me, you don't get rid of your stuff too much, because you reuse it. And I don't like to buy plates singularly, like they sell them at Home Goods, and I like to buy sets. And a set like this, you can switch out and use or create a whole different look. So keep that in mind when you are out shopping when it comes to dishes. If you have some basic plates, but then you get a marble, you know, the marble has the gray sometimes, like this one. Sometimes it has the black, sometimes it has the brown. And then if you have, you know, plate sets that have brown in it, and you got marble with brown in it, that gives a whole different look. And you know, because listen, somebody's going to get all this stuff when we leave. So make sure that you can find your stuff and enjoy it yourself. And then don't overindulge. You know, buy what you like, get what you love, but make sure you're going to use your things. Okay? All right. And last but not least, this was a Christmas present to me from my girlfriend, and this is a 20-piece cutlery set that is Halston gold plated. It's 24, let me see, I think it's supposed to be 24 karat gold plated. I think that's what that's supposed to be. But they are gorgeous. I hate that they're being washed out by the light, but it's nighttime, so I was trying to help it not be so dark in here, especially when I'm in front of this dark entertainment center. But that is my haul, and I hope that you enjoyed it. My mindset right now as far as thrifting and shopping for decor is that I want to go through and look at everything. I want to go through my dishes and make sure that I have the key pieces, which would be white dinnerware, which I have 2 sets of those. I have black, I have a brown set, but I don't have a gray, and I'm going to get me a gray set. And I think that's all that I'm missing as far as that, because you can mix and match. I am a person that likes colored plate sets too. So if I buy any, I'm always going to be thinking in the back of my mind what I already have and how I can mix and match those. Because again, you got to have some place to put this stuff. And your dishes will go a long way if while you're out shopping that you think in that regard, that okay, I have this, and I don't have to do matchy because I can switch it out and, you know, and make it up, set it up a whole lot different. And that's also how I'm looking at my candle stands. I want to make sure that I have enough glass. I have enough gold ones. I have enough silver ones. Black I really don't need. Brown I really don't need. But I think I might need some more gold, solid gold candle stands. So you see what I'm saying? Because when you're shopping, you can always get an accent color and make the accessories the accent. But you always want to have your golds, your glass, your silvers, you know, and you can always switch that out. Even white. Those are the base pieces. And that's kind of how I'm going to be doing my shopping this year. I'm going to make sure that when I buy colored things, that they're going to be the accessories, but make sure that I have my base colors at all times in everything, even with clothing. You know, you want to have your black pants, your gray pants, your brown pants, your navy blue pants, same in skirts and in tops, and then the other stuff is the accessories. And when you do that, then you make your wardrobe, your looks go a whole lot further, and you don't have to run to the store every time. Okay, so that's just a quick tip, just to let you know what I plan to do this year. So I hope that you've enjoyed this small haul, and I will talk to you again soon. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.